In this tutorial, we'll walk through how to assign SmartBook 2.0. Starting on your Connect section homepage, click Add Assignment to view all assignment options. To create a SmartBook assignment, click on SmartBook 2.0. Within SmartBook 2.0, you'll have two assignment types, New Assignment and Review Assignment. You'll create a new assignment when a chapter is introduced for the first time. You may then create review assignments to reinforce previously assigned chapter content. Let's begin with New Assignments. Under Select Assignment Type, click on New Assignment and then click Continue at the bottom of the page. When creating new assignments, you can only select one chapter at a time. Begin by clicking on the desired chapter. You have three main starting points for selecting chapter content: slider bar, section, or learning objective. The first option is the slider bar. The slider bar is recommended when you cover the entire chapter, including all the sections and learning objectives. This is the broadest collection of course content, so it results in the highest time to complete estimate. By moving the slider bar down, you are choosing to decrease the depth of coverage, which results in less time to complete. This strategy is effective when you want to include broad coverage but control the estimated time to complete. The second option is to select content based on section. This method is recommended when you do not cover the entire chapter. Here, you start the content selection process at a more specific section level. After narrowing down the content by section, you can still adjust the slider bar to affect the time to complete estimate. To add a section, click the plus icon. To delete a section, click on the green checkmark icon. The third option, selecting content based on learning objectives, results in the most specific content coverage. To view content by learning objectives, simply expand the section and subsection. Then choose Edit to select or unselect learning objectives. Again, you can still adjust the slider bar to affect the time to complete estimate. We'll discuss how to complete the assignment process after explaining the purpose of the second assignment type, the review assignment. Creating a review assignment is the same process as creating a new assignment, except that you may select multiple chapters. To get started, click on Review Assignment and then click Continue at the bottom of the page. Next, select the chapter or chapters that you wish to assign. Review assignments serve two primary purposes. One, to create review assignments that include previously assigned chapters, typically for test preparation or course review. And two, to create assignments based on topic rather than chapter. Review assignments allow instructors to select content from various chapters. It's very important to note that for the review assignment to be a direct reflection of the previously assigned content, the review assignment must be created using the exact same learning objectives. Otherwise, the review assignment could potentially cover content that has not been previously assigned. Again, in order for new assignments and review assignments to directly align, you must create both assignment types using the same learning objectives. Once you've selected the desired content for either your new or review assignments, click on Continue, located at the bottom left corner of the page. Enter an assignment name. As a best practice, it's best to include Review in the title when creating review assignments. Next, enter a start date and time, due date and time, and total number of points, between 0 and 1,000. A red star indicates the required fields. Please note that with SmartBook 2.0, students can no longer access SmartBook in self-study mode. Content must be assigned for students to access SmartBook. To create self-study opportunities, you may assign content for 0 points. Additionally, assignments that are past due convert to recharge mode, which allows students to continue practicing concepts and receiving feedback, but progress is no longer recorded. For more information on SmartBook 2.0 course data, please continue to the next tutorial, SmartBook 2.0 Reports.